Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your boy Kabir Khanna on Kabir's Stream. And today, yet again, I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I make money on casino with the app that I have made with the AI that I have built over the past couple of years. And now we just get into playing and making some money. And also, don't forget about my Telegram channel.
And by the way, I forgot to tell you that I do live streams on Tuesday, Thursday, and also Friday. So, like I said, all the information is on my Telegram. ₹2.5 लाख मैं 100x तक होल्ड करना चाहता था, बट आई वाज लाइक निकाल लेते हैं पैसे, निकाल लेते हैं। ₹2.5 लाख मैंने और बना लिए यहाँ पे। वापस ₹8 लाख पे आ गए या फिर नहीं आए? सो आई एम नॉट अ लॉट वरीड राइट नाउ फॉर द स्टार्ट at least. I'm gonna go halfway because the synchronization was a little bit, wobbly. But let's see what happens. Okay, 25,000 for a start. That is not freaking bad at all. And look at this, we could have gone full. It is absolutely on dot correct. Okay. Let's go for even more. Guys, by the way, where are you from? How are you? How's life? And what are you doing right now? Have you downloaded the app? The link is right in front of you. You can join in right now. And, if you have any issues, I can solve it right now as well. So let's go. I'm gonna go halfway. I'm trying to keep it safe and calm. Trying to use all of the opportunities that I can. I could have gone full way right now too. I'm just a little bit, worried that it's just a start. So let's take it slow. So let's go again. And hopefully we can make a big one over here. Okay, it says to take out my money right now. But let's go till 2x at least. Okay. Nice, guys. This is going great. I want starts like this, This is what gets me going. We are already in a profit of a lot of money. Usually I just do it till this, like play for a bit, take out my money, and that's basically I was trying to push it to 2x, but it was correct. It gave us the safest point. Hopefully this round will be better, and it turns out to be like that. Okay, let's take it out. Let's be safe, as the AI says. Nice. Guys, what's up, by the way? No chats? Really? Are you not curious on how it all works? I mean, I can right now, tell everything about the AI, but it won't matter if you're not listening. I'll know you're listening if you text me right now and you'll be like, whoa! How does it work? Do you have any experience about it? Like, guys, there is a little bit of time delay और मैं नहीं चाहता कि आपका जो है कोई लॉस हो. आप मेरे को ये बताओ कि आप कितना पैसा जो है लगा रहे हो. I can tell you a great strategy for that maybe. So that you are safe, रौनक. तो प्लान कैंसिल. हाँ भाई, सेफ रखूंगा आपको, सच बोलेंगे, सुखी रहेंगे, राइट. टाइम डिले की वजह से अगर आपको लॉस हो गया, भाई कौन जिम्मेदार है फिर? मैं तो आपको सही इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकता हूं. खेलोगे तो आप ही एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, राइट. Let's take out the 50,000, 50 freaking thousand, or maybe to that point. हेलो भाई, कैसे हो आप? मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ दक्ष, आप कैसे हो? क्या चल रहा है जिंदगी में? सब कुछ सही है? अरे fuck it, let's go for 2x. Let's go for 50,000 again. Nice. We are in a profit of 1 lakh. Ah, I did not get the results. How much it says? Let's go for the double for that. I mean, you can make that amount, but maybe you want to go for the double or the triple. Let's go for the triple. Actually, I'm gonna go for more. I'm just saying. 2x तो गारंटीड ही है ना यार आपका. उसके बाद जो है पुश अगर आप करना चाहते हो तो कर सकते हो. प्रॉफिट बना लेना यार एक आखिरी बारी, क्योंकि मैं फिर थोड़ा सा धीरे यहाँ पे चलूंगा, क्योंकि यार ज़्यादा लगातार जो है ना पैसे लगाते रहते, ओवर भी नहीं करना चाहिए. एनीथिंग इन एक्सेस इज गोना बी बैड फॉर यू. So let's go for the double for this, and that's all I'm gonna do right now. Over there, nice. Have some conversation with me, as I can see you guys don't want to have conversation, so I don't know. I'm gonna go half of this because the last one was a half as well. Take out the money at the right time. 12,000 easy, but it said 513. Let's see. It easily went till 513. Oh my god, could have gone for 513, but it's okay. Let's just simply, right? तो उतनी देर में तो आप बटन को भी नहीं यार इतनी जल्दी जो है देख के क्लिक कर सकते हो, राइट? तो उसका तो कोई फायदा भी नहीं है, वो तो लॉस्ट राउंड ही है ना यार. इन छोटी छोटी बातों पे ध्यान दोगे तो बड़े प्रॉफिट नहीं बना पाओगे. बड़े प्रॉफिट के लिए बड़ी चीजों पे ध्यान दो. अभी यहां पे जो है 25,000 रुपए बन गए. कितना मैंने लूज किया था वहां पे? 3,000 रुपए पर राउंड मैं लूज करता हूं अगर मैं ये वाली बेट को जो है कैश आउट नहीं करता हूं ऑन टाइम. रोहित भाई कबीर सर दुबई पहुंच गए एविएटर से. हाँ भाई ये भी बात है वैसे रौनक की. दुबई तक आ गए हैं और आगे जाएंगे. एक सही राउंड आया, वापस से हम जो है 8 लाख पे आ गए. हेलो बडी, हाउ आर यू? आकाश शाही साहब कैसे हैं आप?